All right, let's talk pots and pans. There are so many options out there. It's hard to always figure out which ones you like. And these were given to us by some friends. And honestly, these are the best pots and pans I've used in all of my life. So these are the Henckels pots and pans. And I love these because they have done so much thought into how everyday people cook and how to make it better. So I love the fact that these feel like stainless steel pans. They work like stainless steel pans, but they also have this hexagon in the middle, which works as a nonstick, right? But it's really, really tough. And so you can still use your spatulas and all of that on it as well. They have thought about like everything with this set. So even see the top to make sure that you're getting this even heating throughout. So see how the design changes to help with that even heating. Amazing. In the fry pan, similar thing where it's really great to sear, like when you want to be able to sear like a steak or your chicken brown something before you go ahead and use it somehow else. I mean, again, these are amazing. The handles are really sturdy, is what I want to say. So you know how sometimes you can see after a while that the bolts start to kind of come off and they get wobbly? Not been the case. We have been using these forever. And you can throw them in the dishwasher. Right now, we are way too busy of a family for me to hand wash all of my pots and pans, even when they're amazing, great quality ones like this. I love the fact that these go with everything. I can use them to boil water, saute, sear, fry, everything that I need, I can use in these pots and pans. So I love the saucepans. Of course, here, is my big cook pot. There's frying pans. There's lids that fit on all of them really perfect. Honestly, I can't talk enough about these pots and pans. You definitely want to get yourself this Henkel set. You are not going to be disappointed. They hold up so well. They're so easy to use. You are just going to immediately see the difference with your food. So go get yourself some. You're not going to be disappointed.